Hi everyone, welcome to Best Recipes with Sharon. Today I'm going to show you how to make this Thai mango side salad or condiment. Now this can be made with either fresh mangoes or it can be made with dried mangoes. Either way that you decide to prepare it or serve it, this will complement any meal perfectly. Before we get started, I am reminding you that my cookbooks are available on Amazon, and these books have been made to be easy to use recipes and some of my most treasured ones. If you would like to purchase these, I have provided a quick link to Amazon on the description below this video. Now without any further ado, let's get right to today's featured video. I'm going to start by showing you how to prepare dried mango. It's particularly good for areas to where you can't get fresh mango. So it slices fairly easily, and we slice them into spears like this, sliced about 1/4 of an inch thick, and they're probably about 2 or 3 inches long. Take a red onion and slice it very, very thinly. This will add a little hint of flavor, but it will also add lots of color. I'm going to make this into a very small salad today just to show you for the sake of the video. So the amounts that you use will depend on how large of a salad you want. If you add red onion, it needs to be thinly sliced and not very much of it used. It's just a complement to the salad. Add just enough sweet chili sauce to moisten it. So that just depends on how much you're using again, but just a little bit over the top. And then I use a little bit of a spicy one, only just a fraction of the amount, just to add a little bit of zap. Now you can use this right away, or let it sit and marinate for a while so that the flavor soaks in a bit better. With the dried mango, I like it better if you just use it as a condiment rather than in the salad, because it's got more chewy texture. So you would single out the spears and use them on side just like you would a pickle. So if you're looking for something delicious and unique, here it is. Now if you're able to get your hands on a fresh mango, all the better. You're going to be able to make a salad with that a little bit easier. And quite frankly, there's nothing like the taste of a fresh fruit. The mango that I have today is a little bit on the ripe side. It should be not quite this ripe because it's hard for me to slice it. It should be a little bit more firm than it is. When you're looking to pick out a fresh mango and you want to make sure it's ready to eat, give it just a slight bit of a squeeze to see that it yields under the pressure just a little bit, something like you would when you're picking out a fresh peach. And of course, they will continue to ripen the longer they sit. So they will likely need to be used up fairly soon after you've picked the perfect one. Now, although this is less than ideal, I did manage to slice these. I like them to be about half as thick as this, so slice them even thinner if you can get one that's just perfect, that's sweet and yet still a little bit crisp. Now I have put the amounts on the screen for you. That's a rough estimate, okay? So that'll help you to determine how to put the salad together. If you feel that the salad dressing's too thick, just thin it with a little bit of ginger ale. Well, I find that's usually not necessary. A couple more compliments. How about some fresh coriander? Yes, if you're going to do this, it needs to be fresh. I sprinkled that freshly chopped coriander right into the sauce, and I put that dressing right over the mango and mixed that in till it's well coated. And of course, there's nothing wrong with a little taste test once in a while. One more thing to add is a little bit of red bell pepper. I hope you give this a try and like it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, happy eating!